The universe is built on data. Stars are born from cosmic dust. Galaxies collide. Black holes devour matter and energy. We study these events, these celestial wonders, through data. Data is everywhere on Earth too. Every click, every purchase, every heartbeat generates data. This data holds secrets, patterns and stories waiting to be discovered. Data science is the key to unlocking these secrets. It allows us to make sense of the vast and complex information around us. Data scientists are like modern-day explorers. They use their skills to navigate this sea of data, uncovering insights that can change the world. From predicting disease outbreaks to optimizing transportation systems, data science is shaping the future. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Are you ready to explore the universe of data? Every explorer needs a spaceship. In the world of data science, your spaceship is your education and skills. A strong foundation in mathematics and statistics is essential. These are the laws of physics that govern the data universe. A bachelor's degree in a related field such as computer science, mathematics or statistics is a great starting point. But the learning doesn't stop there. The field of data science is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is crucial. Online courses and boot camps can provide specialized knowledge in areas like machine learning, deep learning, and data visualization. These tools will help you analyze data, build models, and communicate your findings effectively. Remember, the journey of 1,000 light years begins with a single step. Start building your knowledge and skills today. Education is the fuel, but experience is the engine that will propel you through the data cosmos. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with real-world projects. Participate in online data science competitions. Contribute to open-source projects. Internships are invaluable for gaining practical experience. They offer a chance to work on real-world problems, collaborate with experienced data scientists, and build your professional network. Practical experience is what will set you apart from other aspiring data scientists. Certifications can also enhance your credentials. They demonstrate your proficiency in specific tools and technologies. Look for certifications from reputable organizations that align with your career goals. The more you explore and experiment, the more confident you will become in your abilities. Section 4. Charting your course career planning in data science. As you gain experience and certifications, it's time to chart your course in the vast data science landscape. What industries interest you? Healthcare, finance, technology. Each sector offers unique challenges and opportunities. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, connect with data scientists on LinkedIn, and engage in online communities. Building relationships can open doors to exciting job opportunities. Craft a compelling resume and portfolio that showcases your skills and projects. Tailor your applications to specific job descriptions, highlighting your relevant experience. Be prepared to articulate your passion for data science and how your skills can contribute to the company's success. Remember, the universe is full of opportunities for those who dare to explore. Section 5. The expanding universe of data science, the future awaits. The universe of data is constantly expanding. New technologies are emerging. New challenges are arising. The demand for skilled data scientists is greater than ever before. As artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to advance, data scientists will play an even more critical role in shaping the future. They will be at the forefront of developing innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. Embrace the unknown. Be curious. Never stop learning. The future of data science is bright, and it belongs to those who are bold enough to explore it. The journey of a data scientist is a journey of lifelong discovery. So set your sights on the stars and let the data be your guide.